BAPI's flexible probe mounting bracket makes your life easy when installing averaging probes or freeze stats. Unlike other installation methods that risk kinking to the flexible probe, BAPI's mounting bracket allows you to install your probe and maintain a minimum bend diameter of 2 inches, therefore not risking damage to wires and sensors. The 1/4-inch break-off tab can also be used for mounting the tail end of the flexible probe or 1/4-inch bullet probe. Made of durable, plenum-rated plastic, heat and cold conduction is minimal. BAPI's flexible probe mounting bracket, safe, easy, and sensible.